Homeowners in Conshohocken know how unpredictable Pennsylvania weather can be. Cold winters, humid summers, and fluctuating temperatures put constant pressure on your home's heating and cooling system. One of the most effective ways to improve comfort and reduce energy costs is through professional window installation. While windows may seem like a simple feature, how they are installed plays a major role in how energy efficient your home truly is. Eliminating drafts and air leaks. Older or poorly installed windows often allow outside air to seep in and indoor air to escape. Even small gaps around window frames can lead to noticeable drafts, forcing your HVAC system to work harder year-round. Professional window installation in Conshohocken ensures a tight, secure fit that seals off air leaks completely. Experienced installers use proper insulation, flashing, and sealing techniques that prevent gaps from forming over time. This creates a strong barrier between your home and the outdoors, helping maintain consistent indoor temperatures regardless of the season. Maximizing the performance of energy-efficient windows. Many homeowners invest in energy-efficient windows but don't see the expected results due to improper installation. Even the most advanced window designs, such as double pane or low-E glass, can lose efficiency if they aren't installed correctly. Professional installers understand how to align, level, and secure windows so they function as designed. This ensures optimal insulation, reduces thermal transfer, and allows energy-efficient features to perform at their best. Proper installation protects your investment and ensures you receive the full benefit of modern window technology. Lower heating and cooling costs. When windows are professionally installed, your home becomes better insulated as a whole. This reduces the strain on your furnace in the winter and your air conditioner in the summer. As a result, many Conshohocken homeowners notice a decrease in monthly energy bills after upgrading their windows. By maintaining indoor temperatures more effectively, your HVAC system cycles less frequently, which can also extend its lifespan. Over time, these savings add up, making professional window installation a cost-effective improvement. Improved indoor comfort. Year-round energy efficiency isn't just about saving money, it's also about comfort. Poorly installed windows can create cold spots near windows in winter and heat buildup in summer. Professional installation helps eliminate these issues by creating a consistent indoor environment throughout your home. With properly installed windows, rooms stay warmer in colder months and cooler during summer heat. This balanced temperature makes your living space more enjoyable and reduces the need for constant thermostat adjustments. Moisture control and reduced condensation. Improper window installation can allow moisture to seep into walls or collect around frames, leading to condensation, mold growth, and structural damage. Professional window installers use techniques designed to manage moisture effectively, protecting your home from long-term issues. Well-installed windows help regulate indoor humidity levels, contributing to better indoor air quality and improved energy efficiency. This is especially important in older Conshohocken homes where moisture control is a common concern. Long-term energy efficiency benefits. Professional window installation isn't just a short-term upgrade, it's a long-term investment in your home's efficiency and value. Correct installation reduces the risk of future repairs, minimizes energy loss, and ensures your windows last longer with fewer performance issues. For homeowners in Conshohocken, choosing professional window installation means enjoying lower energy bills, improved comfort, and greater peace of mind. When windows are installed the right way, your home works smarter, not harder, to stay comfortable in every season.